A couple of wickets in the margin. Oh, beats him all, ends up. This is such a good delivery. And you're absolutely right. The moment that...
Leg side again, and that'll be 3,000 one-day international runs for Imam Al-Haq. He'll bring it up with a couple and push for 3.
Full shot that's gone up in the air. This should be taken out, caught, and it's a very good catch. That's not the first time that Imam has been...
Talked about one of the finest, and that is a pretty fine start. A little bit of shape, get that front pad out of the way. 4.
Got to keep it nice and tidy within the stumps.
Pulled away in front of square, and that will go to the boundary. Waited on it and got plenty of it.
He's got a...
And again, there's a little one there. There's a little ticker.